How to fix TP-Link Deco no internet access. Step 1. Check the Deco LED color. Common LED meanings. Green means it's connected and working. Red means that there's no internet connection. And if it's yellow or pulsing, that means it's starting up or configuring. Step 2. Restart the modem and Deco. Unplug the modem. Unplug the main Deco. Wait 30 seconds. Plug the modem back in first, wait until all modem lines stabilize, and then plug the Deco back in. This resolves many temporary connection issues. Step 3. Check the Ethernet cable. Make sure the cable is firmly connected, the modem is connected to the WAN port of the main Deco, the cable isn't damaged, and try a different Ethernet cable if possible. Step 4. Verify WAN settings. Open the Deco app, go to More, Internet Connection, and verify the connection type, Dynamic IP, PPPoE, and Static IP. If your ISP uses PPPoE, you'll need the correct username and password from your provider. Incorrect WAN settings are a common cause of no internet access. Step 5. Change DNS settings. In the Deco app, go to More, Advanced, IPv4, and set the primary DNS as 48 and the secondary DNS as 8844. Several TP-Link support discussions report DNS changes, resolving false no internet messages and connectivity problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.